6 o'clock, good morning.
Hello, welcome along to Daybreak. It's Thursday the 20th of October.
Today's big story.
Thanks, Steve. Freezing cold and frosty out there first thing. Temperatures into minus figures the first time this season. At least it's fine, it's bright, it's clear and crisp. I've got the full forecast in the next half hour.
Well, what have you done?
I don't know, it's all gone wrong, Dan. Thanks, Dan. So cold, but at least it's clear and crisp. I know Christine said yesterday it's her favourite type of weather. Temperatures plunge to -1 overnight, so freezing and frosty first thing. Let's see if it's going to last. Well, the first nearly widespread frost of the season so far. The coldest night this autumn. Temperatures plunged to -1 in many locations last night. We're still seeing those figures first thing this morning. This is an idea of what it's like first thing. So freezing, frosty, but at least it's clear and crisp for many of us. There will be some lovely sparkly sunshine over the next few hours. There will be these showers draped around the coast of northern western Scotland, parts of northwestern England, Wales into the West Country. Otherwise dry with just isolated patches of mist and fog here and there. Through the course of the morning, thicker cloud through the north and the west. Particularly through western Scotland, the majority of Northern Ireland, and here some patchy rain making some headway in, but at least it's not as windy as it has been. The lighter winds for many of us today, and then out to the east, further south to beautifully bright. Some stunning sunshine, a little like yesterday, just a few rogue showers into the north and the west, but these will be few and far between. On the whole, it does stay cold throughout the morning. Temperatures will struggle through much of the day. Through the north, through the majority of Scotland, thickening cloud, rain mostly patchy at first as it takes over much of the country. Steadier rain into the northwest later. The patchy rain also making some headway into Northern Ireland, staying chilly here all day. And then through northern England, northwest of England, down to Wales and the West Country, thickening cloud, patchy rain, showery outbreaks of rain on and off through the afternoon. For the Midlands eastwards, better and brighter. Once more, another beautifully bright day, highs of around 13 or 14 degrees, so staying nippy. Through the latter stages of the day, thicker cloud, patchy rain, and overnight, I think, with the more cloud cover, for many of us, temperatures holding up quite well. Dry but cloudy in the south, increasingly blustery and wet across the north and the west. So the cloud will prevent a frost forming, as will the wind. And then tomorrow morning, not quite as chilly as it has been this morning. Thickening cloud, though, across the north and the west. Some steadier rain into parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. Down to the south and east, better, brighter conditions before the cloud rolls its way in. And temperatures just a degree or two higher than today, maybe 14 or 15 degrees. Into the weekend, well, actually nowhere near as cold. It's going to become a little milder. Temperatures up to maybe 19 degrees with some sunshine.
7 o'clock, good morning.
Hi there, welcome along.
I used to be, a long time ago, when things changed. The weather's changing too. Freezing and frosty, so cold out there, but only for a short while because things change again over the weekend. Stay tuned, I've got all the latest. Well, the cold snap goes on for the time being. Freezing and frosty out there this morning. Temperatures as low as -2 and -3 with some mist and fog patches across the south. Cloud and some showery outbreaks draped across western coastal fringes of Scotland, western England, parts of Wales. And here, temperatures up a few degrees. So here, the frost kept at bay. Thicker cloud through the northwest generally with some patchy rain as the morning goes on. The breeze picking up. Otherwise, it will be drier. The best of the brightness through central and eastern spots. But here, even so, it will stay chilly. Thicker cloud through the north and some patchy rain moving in. Steady rain for northern and western Scotland. For much of England and Wales, here it will be drier, but thicker cloud will produce some showery outbreaks of rain for the north and the west. The Midlands eastwards, better, brighter conditions, but staying nippy all day. Just 13 or 14 degrees at best. Later, there will be thicker cloud for all of us. Patchy rain heading in to many locations. And then overnight, blustery and wet across the northwest. Drier but cloudy in the south. The cloud keeping the frost at bay. So a little milder tomorrow morning, but generally the sunshine is sure to supply.